Alright, welcome back to part 2 of this tutorial series on how to make a really cool like complete website. Alright, so where I left off in the last video, we were just pretty much styling we were actually just finished styling this. So now we're gonna style the header some more. Alright, so first thing I want to do is I want to well, if you look now, there's no like a little list item thing. So what we want to do is in here, I'm gonna go header, I'm gonna go dot header. Now, if you didn't give your whatever your container, the nav container, whatever type of tag you're using, right here, if you didn't give it a class of nav and you just use the nav tag, you could just write nav. But since I did, I could do either way. But since I'm just gonna make this code downloadable in case you want to incorporate it with your site, I'm gonna use .nav. I'm just gonna make all the tags right now. Header .nav. Well, and actually, you know what I'm gonna do is I want to actually extract those tags right there. And I'm gonna actually make a drop down menu of all the things, and the one right here is gonna be whatever the one that your page is on right now. So I'm going to hit that and actually Command C. So basically what you have to do, Alright, so basically you have a tag right here. In between, after the A and before the close of the list item, you want to return and make another UL, and then oh my god. Alright, so now if we look at this, well, it's gonna look the same because we took all the padding out. So let me just show you what it would look like if I took this off right there. It'll give me a better. See, now it's kind of like this. These things are inside that, right? Alright. But also, it kind of gets it all weird. So I'm going to take those out. Alright, so now UL, and we're going to go dot header dot nav UL li, and now dot header dot nav UL li. And now the thing that's kind of annoying about anchor tags is you have to do just the plain one, then with the link, pseudo class link, and visited. Otherwise, it won't work. Alright. So now I have all these. First I'm gonna style the overall nav, and then I'll style like the drop down and everything. Alright. Let me just reload this so you can see without it. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this, I'm going to specify. So I'm going to go width. Let's make this the whole thing. I'm going to say about, well, I'm going to say 200 pixels to start out with. I'm going to go, and what I'm going to style it just a little bit, and kind of do something like this, where you hover over it, you know, and kind of get this, something like that. Right here, I'll show you. I'm actually, I'm going to add something like that to my site pretty soon. Costing thing. Sorry, I keep... Alright. Here we go. Just something like this. This is pretty much what I'm going to be doing. Now this is coming to my site soon, by the way, if you're wondering. Pretty cool, right? And it looks kind of like the Google thing. Alright, so I'm actually going to keep this up just to kind of reference it. With 200. And really that's all I'm going to do for right now. Now on the LI, I'm going to go, well, I'm going to leave that blank. I'm going to go font. And I'm going to actually, have it be like, sorry. I'm gonna have it, you can see all these fonts. What I'm gonna do is I just have to do something. I want to get all these fonts right here. Just paste them right here. These are a bunch of, just off Google fonts, by the way. I'm gonna take this font. No, actually, this font, right here. Now, see, we all have that. Now I'm gonna go to the, I'm gonna go RGBA to, I'm just gonna make, 200. Alright. And now they look like that. Now I will be making this, and actually, you know what, I'm gonna make it like this. I'm gonna make it so it'll be a little darker. Alright, there we go. And what I will do is, since I only want this, I want to do this effect on the top one. So, on this one, I'm going to add style, opacity, 0.5. I want this to be a little lighter than all the other ones. Alright. Now, once we take this, I'm going to, well, I'm going to make that, and then I'm going to go font size 25 pixels. Actually, I'm going to make it 35. Alright. Now, the whole thing won't be this size. That would be way too. And as you can see, the width is right there. So actually, I'm going to make that a little bigger. Alright, but the width, I'm going to make it 300 pixels. Not because the contact us. These ones right here, the ones that are a little darker, are gonna be inside, kind of like well, like I showed you on here, they're gonna be inside this little housing. And I will I'm gonna make another tutorial after I finish this series on how to make like a regular navigation, like well, like something not like really modeled after this, like just like a regular navigation after. So, you can watch that, and you can change it, if you want, using that. Alright, so I'm gonna use that. Now I'm gonna go dot header nav ULLI. And now, if all the code in here is gonna, all these dark ones, so I'm gonna go, visibility, hidden, Now we only have that. Yay! 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 Alright. Now, I'm going to go here. Padding, 0 pixels. I'm going to go dot header dot nav ULLI hover ULLI. And now this is going to be when it's hovering. Go. And actually, you know what I want to do is I'm going to use the opacity to change this. Opacity 1. And see now? The unfortunate thing is, as you can see, way over here. So what we have to do is we have to, on here, we have to go width, and we have to give it like 100 pixels worth of width. And thereabouts better. Okay. Now, I will give this little padding, I'll say like 10 pixels. To get it a little away from the edge. Alright. Now I'm gonna go. Actually, never mind. Alright, so here I'm gonna go background. Background. And I'm gonna do a bit just a color. This is pretty dark. You can see in a minute. See, pretty dark. Alright. Now, I'm gonna actually Command X, Command Z, and now what I want to do is take that. Alright, sorry you guys. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually, I forgot. Now I'm gonna go back. Oh wait, no, wrong thing. Header, nav, ul, li, hover, ul. I'm gonna target this. I'm just gonna put that there. Alright, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go border dash. On the bottom of everything, I want solid in pixels RGBA of 216. Oops. Now you can see we have that. No, I actually realized the problem. That's LI. Alright, I have to make this 300 pixels. Alright. That was 100, and then these ones have to be 300. Or I'm gonna actually make it like 250. And so now we have that. Now I'm going to go header dot nav li hover li. And again, we have to target all of them. So link space and visited. Alright, now I'm going to go font size, and I'll go 15 pixels. Alright, yeah, that looks good. Now, let me go padding. Let's say I want it more padding, so I'm gonna go. I'll go 15. So 15. So this is the top, the right, the bottom, and the left. See, now we have it like this. Now those are too long for something. So we're gonna give these a width 250. I'm gonna put it back to, let's say, 175. Yeah, that looks about good. Now, what I want to do is I'm gonna move this thing right here. I want here, padding. I want this. I can see they still go there. So what I want to do is for the nav, I'm gonna go padding, give it 10 pixels. Alright. Now on the LIs, give a box shadow of it's 5 pixels, 0 pixels, and 10 pixels of RGB. I see. 0 RGA, and I think I want this. What color? The box shadow. I'll just give it. Now let's see what that looks like. Alright, yeah, that's not really what we want. I think it may have been. Yeah, okay, that looks better. And that looks really cool now. Now, one thing we have to do is, let me show you. If we take this color, I'm going to just go Command X so I have that. Border, bottom, solid, 1 pixel. Red. And I'm just using red just so you can see red. See, on the bottom, we still have that. So what we have to do do Command V. Now we're gonna go dot header nav ul li however ul li. We're gonna do last child and border the bottom none. And now you're not going to be able to tell anything, but now there's no border on the bottom. But we also want to put some more of a box shadow on here, so we're going to go 0, 5, 10, RGBA. And actually, I want this to be alright, that looks good. Now what we have to do for here is we have to make it so it'll be supported on all browsers. Now the same here. Alright, now, you don't see anything new here, but now it'll work with all the browsers. And isn't that cool how, you have that little, like, thing at the bottom with the little, borders. Now what we have to do, and see, I don't know if you can see that well, but around the edges there is something. Okay, now on these LIs, I'm going to go border, right, solid, and pixel of 2. And I want to put this on the left too. Now you're not going to be able to see this that well, but it just gives it kind of a slight hint. One second, let me check on time. Alright. Let me see if I can, see, it's really hard to see. But if I zoom in, one second, I want to show you something. Doesn't that look cool on here? How it does that? I think that looks really cool. And another thing is, I want to change these fonts. So actually, here, where did I have lemon and Iceland on these A tags? Font family. Alright, that was, I just have to, some fonts have like different font, well, I don't know how to say it, but the fonts are different sizes. And the home, I'm going to say 45 pixels. Alright. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to that border radius site, and we're just going to copy that again, the same code. And for this UL, actually, alright, sorry, I forgot to do it. Alright, so actually we want to just get ones for just the tops and just the bottoms. Alright, now I have to do 3 and 3, so it's just at the bottom. And on, where do we have last child? Paste this. And now see we have that. Now I have to do another tag. First child. And now we have to go here. We have to go 3, 3, 0. Alright, and you can see that pretty well. Let me just show you if you zoom in even more. And that's a really cool font too. You can see as I come in here, it goes. That is one of the problems when you're gonna be on the border, if you're moving your mouse back and forth really weirdly, fast. But otherwise, it shouldn't really be that big of a problem. Alright. And one thing that we are gonna carry, we're gonna carry almost everything over from page to page. Just certain things are going to change. Like we'll change this instead of being home, whatever the page we're on. And then this will be home if we're on a different page. Okay, now I have to do the hover states. Alright, so what we're going to do is, where did I put the opacity? UI, LI, opacity. No, but for the fonts, didn't I change? 1 second, sorry. I may still have to change it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go header navigation li a hover color RGBA, and I'm gonna go 75. That should be pretty much darker. No, not quite enough. Right. I'm just gonna copy this color code. Paste that in there. And now, as you see, that looks really bad. Alright, so what we have to do is, now for these, I have to go hover ULLIA. Or actually, yeah, alright, never mind. It's like, I'm gonna keep that there. And color white. What I want to do is I want you to have to be hovering over this too. So hover, and now header dot. I'm gonna have ULLI hover ULLI hover, and background I'm gonna give, say, 100. Alright. Let's see. Hovering over these, the color's not. Let me see something. Can I copy this right here? Yeah. Alright, what I'm going to do. Okay. So, take that out. Man X. I'm not going to have anything. And now, probably. Okay. Now, as you can see, one thing is, if we just click on this, nothing happens. You don't go anywhere. So, that's kind of an annoying thing. Since these are actually the LIs. That's the thing that I don't like about styling the LIs, is then you have this. So, what we have to do is just two things. On the LI hover, we don't have to do it on the hover. We can do it anywhere. I'm just going to say pointer. And then on the actual code, for the LIs, we have to have an on click, go location dot, again like the same ref. Now we go videos.php, then again on click location dot, and this is links.php. I'm actually just going to copy this so we don't use so much time up. And this one is about. Oops. Alright, and this one is contact. Now, when we view this, click on it, it goes to the pages. Oh, sorry. Time check, 24 minutes. Alright. And see, you know how I said earlier in the first part of the tutorial, looks really bad. Well, look at this. I mean, look at how bad this looks. Like, I mean, look at that. That looks pretty weird, I personally think. Sorry for all the background noise. Now, this looks pretty awesome to me, I personally think. I don't know about you guys, but I think this is cool. A couple more things I want to change. Alright, so now back here, I'm going to go just text decoration. Oh, wait, I wrote the wrong thing. Decoration. None. So now we don't have those links. Alright, now, I want to add one more thing. What we're going to do is we're going to go. And then we're done with the navigation. Oops. Well, li. Active. Here we go. Background. Just gonna give. Alright. I know some people are gonna say, what? I think that looks pretty cool. What about you? And I also want to add it to this for the links too. So li and active, say color red. Alright. One sec. I don't know why that's not working. Color nav you active. Alright, you know what? Let's just not do that. That's giving me kind of troubles. Alright. But when you click on these, it looks pretty cool. Again, look at how messy that looks. That just looks like retarded, I think. But, again, I'm sorry about me coughing. Alright. You know what? I think I'm gonna end this tutorial for this, right here. And, I'll see you guys in part 3. Alright.